Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Samim FX weekend vlog. Yes, now my editor Mo wanted me to create an intro, outro to this weekend vlog. I recorded some clips here and there over the weekend that I wanted to compile together and upload it for you guys, but no, my editor Mo wants me to do an intro, outro. So I'm gonna do one better. I'm gonna do an intro, an outro, an in-between, and shots here and there, and you guys are all gonna be a part of it. So let's talk about Saturday. So Saturday, all I basically did was I went to the gym and I started pumping some iron. It was chest day, so you're gonna see a bunch of clips here and there of me doing some different type of exercises. Then I went with my cousin. And that's basically what I did for Saturday afternoon. Now in the evening time, we did something else, which I'm gonna bring you guys along. All this food, bro. Okay, so during Saturday evening, your boy cooks up some nice sushi. No, I'm joking. I ordered in some nice sushi from this nice sushi restaurant, and I basically ate it right over here. And you guys are gonna witness that clip right now. Mo, please put in that clip of me showing off my sushi platter. I'm gonna muck this sushi right now, and I might even do a bit of a time lapse to this one. Let's just see how it goes, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I finished that. It's all done. I'm not gonna lie, after that sushi, I wasn't feeling it. But we're gonna continue on because what happens next is pretty cool. It's basically a wind down time with my cousin playing some nice Warzone. Now, when it comes to Warzone, I need help.
Bro, I'm missing all my shots.
I died. We're not the best, but like, you know, give us a break. Like, I mean, the game evolves so much. There are so many sweats now and so many meta classes, and it's overwhelming. And my cousin and I are both duo squatting and trying to get a fill with two other good players so that they can carry us to a win.
Yo, there's a team here, bro.
On me, I need help.
Where are you? I'm coming. I see someone landing. Flying on mid, right there. Right here on mid.
Dead.
On me. Oh my god, I almost turned this guy. On this guy, in here. He's not weak. Careful, he's in there.
What the fuck did our teammates do, bro? Wallahi, our teammates are ass.
Oh, on the dish, up there on the roof. I'm landing on you, Omid.
We're gonna die here, wallahi, we're gonna die. On me. Turn on him. I'm safe. He's gonna jump in. Someone's gonna jump in right now. Here. Play box. On blue. You should be at. I mean, either we go straight or we go to blue, bro. I don't know what the fuck we're doing.
I don't know what we're doing either.
I'm running away, bro. I need high angle. We need to get.
I'm running too.
Yeah. I'm going to yellow.
I have 10 grand. I can buy a loadout.
We should buy it then.
I mean, there's a couple guys landing tents, bro.
I'm with you.
Dropping in the AO.
with you. Someone shooting me. Someone shooting me.
Oh, right here, right here. I have to play it up.
Good teamwork. Good teamwork. Good teamwork. His other team is low. His other team is low. He's coming. One's coming. He's going the other way. He's going the other way.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Yeah, I think we should back up. Go control.
Oh, right there, right there. I need help. Right there. I need help. I need help.
Yeah, don't worry. I got your push. I got pinged, bro. I got pinged.
Right there, right there. Oh, bro, I'm backing up.
Yeah, I'm dead too.
I'm with you, I'm with you.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
He's pushing you to your left. Then keep backing up, bro. Keep backing up.
Get loadout.
I don't know what we should do, but we should do something.
Here. I got loadout.
Get it.
Friendly loadout drops on the
They
way.
backed up. They all backed up. Oh, right there. Green tent.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Doc.
5 squads still operating.
I need help. Samir, where are you? Oh, I lost full.
But champ, I'm trying to.
Gang, sister. Gang.
I got loadout, bro.
Right in front of us. 26, 20, two chasing you. Two chasing you. You're dead.
Oh shit.
Back to you, soldier.
It's all you. It's all you. Watch the door. Watch the door. You gotta get an angle. You gotta go in the other corner or something. Yeah. I'm back. I'm letting you.
Wow.
Buy station prices.
I died. I died.
Fuck, you died, bro.
I broke my legs.
Reinforcements inbound.
Oh, well, you're actually costing, bro. You're actually costing. I'm trying to go for like troll content or something. What the fuck is this, bro?
No. I'm actually locked in. How many kills do I have?
Alarm, bro.
8 kills, bro. I have 8 kills. You have 2. You have 2 kills. And you died again.
Oh my god, man. Could have killed those guys. I destroyed the first guy. Second guy was there, bro.
Squad mate is redeployed.
You destroyed
This
it?
guy's-
Squad mate's back on station.
Oh, but Jim, there's someone here, bro. What?
All squad mates are in the safe zone. Got gas moving. Target down.
On me. Right here, push. What are you guys doing, bro? Yeah, I'm out.
No. But Jim, look at the angle I have. I have the credit corner angle. Look at this.
Bro, don't post that shit, bro. I don't want you to post that shit.
You just jumped in there, bro. I have no plates. Look at me.
Right there. You see him.
I know. Oh.
Done.
Look, there's 4 of them. Look at this, 4 of them.
Now where the fuck do we land? No guns, no nothing. The fuck are we supposed to do?
Land with yellow. We'll push them.
They know we're there. Same guys.
I'm landing on yellow.
And the cells are reviving. Look, they're pushing yellow. They're chasing him, bro. You guys have enough to buy both of us back. Get the loot, yeah? We're good. We're in the low-key area now. Oh, they're chasing you. They're fucking chasing you. They're chasing you, yeah. We're dead.
Survive until your squad redeployed. Copy that.
No. Which I had 10 kills, bro. 10
Why are
kills.
these guys chasing us?
What was I supposed to do there? They're both busted out the door
Why are
like
these
that.
guys chasing us? That was the team setting that came from control.
Yeah, I know. They kept chasing us.
We played, I believe it was 13 or 14 games. I recorded 14 different Warzone games. We're on for about 4 to 3 hours and we didn't win a single game. It's just a Saturday night where all the sweaty boys come on. But this game I popped off. I think my cousin and I both popped off. However, we just didn't end up winning the game. So it is what it is. And you're gonna see a funny, hopefully funny, gamey, memey content editing sort of thing that Mo is gonna put together here. Okay, before we move on to what happened during Sunday, if you guys are so far enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because your boy's trying to make more content like this in the trading game. I don't think there's anyone like me in this trading game who does this type of content. And in order for me to continue making this content, please subscribe. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the year's end. And please give this video a like. It lets me know that you want more content like this and I'll just record more content like this for you guys. So let's move on to Sunday, baby. I'm sorry, there's one more thing I gotta talk about before we move on to Sunday. That's why I kind of got all dressed up here. It's good when it comes to trading to take your weekends off and to completely mentally sort of reset, which basically means you don't want to be thinking about the trades you took during the week. You don't want to be thinking about the upcoming trades you can be taking during the week. Try to ignore any sort of losses that happen. Try to ignore any sort of funded accounts that you've blown or challenge accounts that you've blown during that week. The weekend is basically for your mind to calm down so that you're able to come cool, calm, and collected for the upcoming week so that you can trade with full precision, baby, so that you can pass those challenges, get those funded accounts, and get those payouts. So yeah, when it comes to your weekends, don't even think about trading. Just go ahead, have some fun, let loose, and enjoy yourself. And now we continue on to Sunday. So I was kind of running out of places to put you guys, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna bring you guys to the washroom. You never see any of these happen inside of a trading video or a vlog video, for example. You never see this happening. I'm like, I'll be the first one to do it. Maybe I'm not the first one, but I'll do it nonetheless. So Sunday, during Sunday, the boys and I, my cousins and I, we all went to the beach and played some nice volleyball. Your boy's kind of nasty at volleyball. We're gonna toss up some clips for you guys to see the volleyball gameplay, you know, enjoy the volleyball experience, see me basically pop off. Hopefully it's good edits, Mo, and not the bad ones.
Today is gonna be one of the best days. Okay, the best day. You watch and see. Sami Max.
What happened to the losing team, huh?
Put the camera away, bro.
What happened to the losing team, huh? Say something now, huh? Say something now. What do you guys say to the other team? We just won.
Listen, this was just an easy game. We got this, okay? They're nothing to us. We got this, all right? They're nothing.
That's what I did during Sunday, and that's basically it. We ate some nice pizza, and then we went home, and then I just chilled the entire night.
Hello there.
So Mo,
Gosh.
this is what you asked for, huh? An intro and an outro and some stuff in between. Well, I gave it to you, Mo, so you better make a good video out of it. Or else. Okay guys, that basically concludes our weekend vlog. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm thinking of starting live streaming, so you know there's a couple games that I want to play and we can trade while playing video games. So if you guys want to see that, comment that down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.